Hi students, welcome to our physics class. In this class I am going to explain about calorimeter. What is calorimeter? A calorimeter is a device used to measure the heat of a substance, and also we can measure the specific heat of a substance by using calorimeter. Here see I am going to explain about the structure of the calorimeter. A calorimeter is a wooden box. In this wooden box we are taking a copper vessel. This white color is looking as copper. White color represents the copper vessel. Here copper, why we are using copper vessel inside the calorimeter, this is in this inside the wooden box we are using copper vessel. Now that vessel, copper vessel, why we are using here, this copper is good conductor of heat, and also it is low specific heat, means here for small temperature only it can receive the heat. So that is why we are using copper vessel as inside the calorimeter. Now here this calorimeter is closed with wooden lid, and this wooden lid has two holes. One is for a thermometer, one is for a stirrer. Thermometer used to measure the heat of the substance what we are taking inside the calorimeter, and stirrer is used to mix the substance what we are taking inside the calorimeter. Yeah, different substance we can mix here by using stirrers, and we can measure the temperature changes by using the thermometer inside the substance. Changes temperature in the substance we can change, we can observe, we can measure by using thermometer. That is why we are using two holes lid. One is for thermometer, one is for a stirrer for just mixing the substances inside the calorimeter what we are taking. Now here this wooden box is here, between wooden box and vessel, copper vessel, there is a empty space. This empty space is filled with insulator means not conductor of heat. Here see what are the insulators we are using here, wool or foam or thermocol pieces we can fill with this empty place, empty space between copper vessel and wooden box. Here what is the use of filling these insulators here? That will not allow outside atmosphere heat to inside, or inside heat to outside. It's like a flask, flask we are using, tea flask or water flask we can use now. So for that, like that similar, but here the outside atmosphere will not affect to inside substance, and inside heat energy of the substance will not transfer to outside. So that means outside atmosphere temperature conditions will not affect our experiment. So for that we have to use insulated wooden box. Here see between wooden box and copper vessel, this is filled with insulated substance. It's like wool, cotton, or wool or foam or thermocol pieces. Now this is the structure of calorimeter. By using this we can measure the heat of the substance, and also we can measure the specific heat of a substance. To measure that we can use one formula. What is the formula we are using to measure the specific heat of the substance? Principle of calorimeter, or we can say this principle of method of mixture, or principle of mixture, or principle of calorimeter. How to measure the heat of the substance, or specific heat of the substance, we can discuss in the next class. Thank you.